So today I'm going to show you the most basic way of roasting a chicken. If you want to save some money, don't forget to throw the bones into the freezer when you're done. And once you have like 3 or 4 chickens worth, we'll make some more food out of that and have our chicken go a whole lot farther. So I'm going to start with a brine today. This is optional, but recommended. Take 2 cups of water and put in 5 tablespoons of kosher or sea salt, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn, 2 bay leaves, crush them a little bit, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, a little bit of thyme, a little bit of rosemary. Heat and stir until the salt is completely dissolved and everything is incorporated, and then add that to 6 cups of cold water, and that'll bring you up to about 8 cups, which is good for about 1 chicken. That's right, 1 chicken. Put that chicken in the bucket. It's really hard not to say that like the Swedish chef. Get him really submerged. Put a lid on it. Tuck him away in the refrigerator overnight. Next day, while you're preheating your oven to 425, give that chicken a light rinse and then dry it off as best you can. I'm just going to pick all the meat off of this chicken, and I'm not going to eat the skin because I'm too old for skin eating. But if you want crispy skin, make sure it's dry. Next thing I want to do is, for me, I'm going to brush it with a light, flavorless oil. This is grapeseed oil that I'm using right here. Just a light brushing, and then I'm going to put, that way the salt and pepper stick real nice. Then you want to salt and pepper this bird real well. You want it inside and out. Get the cavity inside all salt and peppered. Pepper it up on the outside. And you're going to get a lot more flavor with the brining process. Then pop that sucker into the oven. Cook it until the inside of the thigh reaches about 165, and boom, chicken. And once you have devoured this bird, what bony chunks are left, throw them in the freezer, and I'll show you how to make that into a really good additive for soups and other foods. Chicken. Recipe is down below, and we'll hope to see you soon.